1, 2, 1, 2, 3, hey! This is a tale my mother said to me.
My mama gave me advice. I knew that I was right. I never listened to a word she said. And I would do my best to be different from the rest. Never tell my kids what she told me. What did she say? Brush your hair.